Hey, the beast is behind me, and I'm here with my comb over hairstyle. Right, let's sort this hair out. I'm quite enjoying this hairstyle because you don't have to expose the hairline so much. So all this kind of swirl is it's kind of cool because I'm doing quite a few contours at the moment, and the benefit of this style is I don't have to clean my front as much because all this hair here kind of protects the front hairline, which we know with the adhesive, even though it dries, can pick up the dust. So quite enjoying this look, the swoosh look. Have to use the paddle brush, really separates it, so I can bounce it off the lace, and it does that for me. Let's have a look. Right. My goodness. How's the beast looking? Do I look better? Right, let me know. Now this blimey stuff, the wax at 53. Black and white is called. So I watched the boys do it. I wear this wax. Look at it. Looks crazy. Right, so put it in your hands. Oh, by the way, have you noticed? That's my engagement ring. I thought I want one of those. Right, have a go at putting the wax in the hair. Yeah, it gives it a separation, definitely. Have a look. Still getting used to that swooshy bit. What do you reckon then? This will have to do. Now I'm frightened to touch my shirt with all this bloody wax on it. Anyway, right, I'm going to come on to an adhesive. An adhesive that's been around definitely in the UK since 1995. It's called Perfect Grade Medical Adhesive. It's a white adhesive. And it's been, like I said, since 1995. It's been around 23 years now, so it must work really well. I've used this on the skin systems, where you can put a coat on your scalp and a coat on the skin, and then they both bond, and it really does bond secure, and the lace. One of the biggest tips for the cream adhesive is put it on sparingly. Don't just lob it on. When I was doing lots of skin systems with lace in the 90s, when I had the retail place, if the stylist layered it on too thick, when we used to take the systems off after 3 or 4 weeks, they used to be like, I don't know what to describe, indentations all over the head. It looked like a river had run through it, or you've been in the bath for about 2 weeks. So yeah, the biggest tip is to put it on sparingly and let it cure naturally. And then they've got the Perfect, Super Perfect it's called. Now this is like a thicker formula, and for me this one doesn't work very well. It grabs the grime really fast for the oils on my head. So I'm not a great lover of this one, but we sell a lot of it. So it's just a thicker formula. Again, put it on sparingly, and then it cures transparent. It's supposed to hold longer. For me it doesn't work, but with all the whiter cream adhesives, the water-based adhesives, it depends on, some suit others, you know, so one may suit you, not someone else, but every single one of them will work. But one will work better than the other, okay? Right, so, it's my new look. There's the beast behind me. Perfect grade medical adhesive, perfect grade super perfect. And to end it all, we say hi to the beast, hi to my new hairstyle, the swoosh look, and I'll end on saying, see you next week.